Picture cancer cells like mischievous escape artists plotting their big breakout. For a while, they're trapped in the colon, surrounded by healthy cells, immune guards, and barriers meant to keep them in check. But then comes the sugar. Not just any sugar, but the powerful duo of fructose and glucose that you'd find in a soda or a sweetened drink. Suddenly, it's as if someone handed the escape artists a set of wings, a full tank of gas, and a detailed map of every exit route. That's the image evoked by the new Nature Metabolism study showing that these sugars, when combined, give cancer cells not just energy, but a biological boost that helps them spread far beyond their original home. The researchers uncovered a key player called SORD, an enzyme that works like the engine in this escape plan. When fructose and glucose are metabolized together, SORD converts them into potent fuel that supercharges cancer cell metabolism. The glucose acts like jet fuel, pouring energy into the system, while fructose supplies the carbon skeletons needed to build new cell structures. The result is a tumor cell that is faster, more resilient, and more capable of moving through the bloodstream to find new places to colonize. It's a molecular sweet escape, but one that we now understand well enough to start slowing down. And that's where the good news comes in. The fact that this process has been mapped so clearly means researchers have a new therapeutic target. Instead of broadly attacking all fast-growing cells, as chemotherapy often does, future treatments could aim to block SORD's activity specifically in cancer cells. That would cut off their ability to exploit sugar so effectively, leaving normal cells relatively untouched. It's the kind of precision medicine that could make cancer treatment less toxic and more effective at stopping metastasis, which is the deadliest stage of the disease. This research also empowers everyday choices in a way that feels practical, not restrictive. Knowing that sugary drinks act as co-conspirators in cancer's escape plan gives us one more reason to limit them, but not out of fear. Instead, it becomes a proactive way to keep our bodies a step ahead, to make the environment less favorable for cancer cells to spread. Choosing water, tea, or unsweetened beverages more often is like keeping the runway closed, denying those cancer cells their takeoff clearance. Even more encouraging is the broader message the study sends. We are learning how deeply nutrition interacts with disease processes. This isn't just a scary story about sugar, it's proof that what we eat and drink can directly influence the way our cells behave. That means our choices matter and can tip the scales toward health. Every sip that supports balance instead of chaos becomes part of a quiet, daily defense strategy against cancer's most dangerous move, metastasis. So yes, sugar may give cancer cells wings, but now science has spotted the escape route, traced the map, and is working on ways to ground them before they take off. And that knowledge transforms this from a tale of fear into one of empowerment. It means that both in the lab and in everyday life, we have the chance to clip those wings before cancer can soar.